Alright.
I saw on Twitch people wanted to see Hyejin's reactions to SEULGI's new solo.
Yeah, I'm excited. I watched the teaser with you.
Interesting when you watch the teaser and watch this, but yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go.
Play my intro.
Wait. Alright.
Yes.
3, 2. Captions on. She's chained up.
Oh, who scratched you?
She's been bruised. She's in the middle
Of nowhere.
of nowhere. Oh, by the way, I have seen it. If you haven't seen it, link to my reaction.
Good morning, sweetheart. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh.
No. Ooh.
Ooh. I don't like that you kiss my brother though.
It starts off, I kiss my brother.
I kiss my brother. Ooh. Ooh.
The outfit's on fire. Hey.
Ooh.
I know. Hey.
Yeah, this is fire.
This is fire with the bangs.
Ooh, she looked good with the piercing. Okay. Ooh.
This is a crazy shot. Yeah, two of her.
That was nice.
Let's go. Uh-huh. Hey, okay. Not the devil. Okay.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm fine. Oh, yeah, I am a grown up. Ooh.
You pulled out the TVXQ vocal.
Ooh.
That's fire.
Oh, that was so fire.
That's like a chilling shot. Ooh.
Damn, that outfit's so fire.
Which one?
The one with the glove.
Ah.
Wow. Ooh.
Let me see.
Good and evil people are not clearly distinguished. Good and evil coexist within one person. Even if one seems good, greed and temptation always exist together inside. We simply try to resist from being captivated by evil. That's true. Yeah. Not
28
wrong.
reasons.
Wow.
What'd you think?
I loved the chorus. I think the chorus was my favorite part. Yeah.
Do you have a favorite shot from it?
Definitely the one where there's two of her and then the backup dancers come up too.
That's a great shot.
That's a great shot.
It was I did this. I think the beginning caught me off guard.
Yeah, the
because
beginning
that
part.
set the tone of the whole thing. I was like, oh, okay.
True.
We're going through like.
The lighting for that one is
Uh-huh.
fire. Yeah. And then
I said the same. I was like, girl, I felt like I'm an only child. I feel like you did kiss my brother. I guess it's like, damn.
I don't know if you want to kiss my brother. I'm sorry.
She said, my pleasure.
Ooh. I wasn't expecting it to be like this either.
No, but based on the trailer, I knew it was gonna be dark. But I didn't expect it to be like this though.
Yeah.
I thought it was like a setup to make it like more happy. It's very, I don't know, her outfit reminds me of old school.
Yeah, I think the chorus is pretty old school too. Like it reminds me of like...
People have said it reminds me of Boa back in the day a bit.
Yeah, I can, yeah.
Like especially during the chorus and the choreography.
Yeah, kind of similar. Ooh.
How not? They're so clean with that edit. I love the backlit shots a lot.
Yeah.
Like from this to backlit. I love that. I think I've seen it in a Chungam video too.
Yeah,
that
the
lighting.
contrast's really nice. And I mean, the whole thing is about light and darkness.
This part's fire here too.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
It's okay.
You're grown up.
I like her fuzzy shoes.
That's fire right here.
Yeah, this part was fire. And then when they come,
Yeah. So
it's so good.
such a good.
Yes, ma'am. And that outfit looks so good on her.
Which one, the belt or?
This one.
Oh, that way. Yeah, that's it.
I love the glove with like the string.
Yeah.
Along with like around her waist. Wow, girl.
background,
And
too.
it has like a little Miss Ma'am. Miss Ma'am. Look at you.
What are your final thoughts on
I
SEULGI?
loved it.
Since that's
I
your
was
bias.
not. I was not expecting that actually.
No.
Yeah, I was like, I don't know. From the whistling, I was expecting something more like lullaby or like
Yeah,
horror.
from the trailer. Yeah,
from
it was
the trailer.
very. It's off like a myth, I think.
Yeah.
If you cut your nails at like next to water or next to the sea or something like that, the rat demon comes out. I don't know. It was something about that. I think our roommate explained it to us.
I wonder, is she gonna have more?
I think so. I don't know. I would like to see more.
I want to see more.
Because I think she has.
I'm like, this
I don't know.
feels like a part one.
I mean, based off the trailer and based off what we heard already, yeah. So it should be interesting. I hope to hear some R&B a little bit. It was kind of, I don't know, what is that genre?
I don't know. I don't know either.
What do you guys think? Put in the comments down below.
Let us know.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yes.
Like this video, share this video, and subscribe.
Like it for us.
This is Hyejin. She's my girlfriend. But hope you guys like this video, and if you want more Hyejin, well, you're not gonna get her because she only reacts to things that she actually listens to. Just listen to everything. If it's BB or SEULGI, I know Hyejin enough where if I hear something, I think, oh, she might like this. Because I introduced you to XG and then a lot of other groups too.
Yeah, XG I was not expecting either.
But I was like, oh, they dance. But anyways, if you want more things, yeah, tell me. Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear. Calvin